Good morning to everyone. Myself J. Samya. Sri Chittam Nursery Government Memorial College. Naranpet Handlooms Weaving Through Challenges. Jignasa study project in economics. Under the guidance of Vishwanath sir, Suresh sir and Kaviraj sir. Students participated. Soumya, Rajeshwari, Manisha, Vishnu, Purushottam. Contents. Abstract, introduction, review of literature, sources of data, objectives, findings, suggestions, conclusion. Abstract. As we all know that our Telangana state is a hub for many arts and crafts. We are very fortunate to have many legendary artists in different art forms in our state. We are highest for our rich Telangana culture and tradition here in Telangana state art and segregated from daily life. Art forms are deeply rooted in routine life of Telangana people. Among such art forms, weaving is one. The intent of this study is to discuss about the glory and difficulty and also aims to explore the current state of the handloom centers in Narayanpet. Introduction. Handloom industry in Telangana state occupies unique place for its exclusive art and artifacts of handloom weavers. Handloom industry in Narayanpet is very ancient and many people have been working here on it since century. The ethic reasons of Narayanpet handlooms promoting the cultural glory of Telangana heritage art culture, and it is separating from other parts which are known for handloom is in the state. The design patterns of Narayanpet handloom shows the outstanding skills of weaver. To be continued, Rajeshwari.
Review of literature. An attempt is made to some of the study relevant to the topic in order to get into the depth details. Ashwani identified that the handloom industry faces stiff competition, particularly from the powerloom sector, and the important challenges faced by the industry from the area of production were insufficient raw material and volatility in price, lack of innovative designs and product development, obsolete technology and shortage of labor. Dr. Sabiha Khatun 2016 concluded that the handloom sector, despite being the dominant segment of Indian textiles industry, is surviving in client. Sources of data. Primary source. The data was collected from the handloom weavers through structured questionnaires. Apart from this, personal interview and observation method were used to collect the primary information. To be continued, Manisha.
Objectives: to study the growth and prospects of handloom industry, to identify the awareness of welfare program for handloom weavers under state government, to bring awareness among the students about the significance of handlooms, to promote the handlooms of Narayanpet across the state. Glory of Narayanpet handlooms. Narayanpet handlooms are a true glory of Telangana's rich cultural heritage. These exquisite handloom sarees are renowned for their unique designs, intricate patterns and vibrant colors. The making of these sarees is a remarkable process, where 8 sarees are woven simultaneously on a single loom. Narayanpet handlooms are a true treasure of Telangana's cultural legacy, showcasing the region's rich craftsmanship, unique designs and vibrant colors. To be continued, Vishnu.
Challenges. Narayanpet handlooms, like many other traditional handloom industries, faces several challenges that threaten their survival. There are some key challenges: competition from powerlooms and mill-made fabrics, lack of market access, fluctuating demands, labor-intensive process, limited raw material supply, aging workforce. Findings: due to the unique rich variety has constant high demand in the state market as well as in other states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra for their craftsmanship and intricacy of the designs. Narayanpet artists are now distinguished statewide for their hand spinning, weaving and printing elegance. The handloom weavers are not providing enough orientation on the launch of various government schemes, either by state government and state cooperative societies. Continued by Purushottam.
Suggestions. Arrangements need to be made for campaigning and advertising about the positive effect of the Narayanpet handloom brand. Better to conduct frequent programs and meetings among the viewers to know the welfare schemes. It is very important to update to the modern needs in this heavy competition world. It is needed to use latest techniques in weaving. Promotion is needed to take the glory of Narayanpet handloom across the state as well as country. Pictures during visit. Glimpse of Narayanpet handlooms. Conclusion: Naranampet handloom industry, renowned for its exquisite sarees, faces numerous challenges threatening its survival. Focusing on innovative marketing, skill development, and community empowerment might overcome the challenges today. By preserving this traditional craft, Telangana can safeguard its cultural identity, promote rural livelihoods, and contribute to India's rich handloom legacy. Thank you.